The second C is clarity. Because diamonds form under tremendous heat and pressure, it is extremely rare to find a diamond with no internal or surface-reaching inclusions. Inclusions are a byproduct of its formation and actually help gemologists separate natural diamonds from synthetics and lookalikes. The GIA clarity scale includes 11 clarity grades, ranging from flawless to I3. Flawless indicates that there are no inclusions or blemishes visible at 10x magnification. A grade of I3 is for diamonds with inclusions that are obvious to the naked eye. Diamond graders at GIA laboratories use a 10x magnification loupe and a microscope to see and plot the inclusions. Since no two diamonds are exactly alike, this unique plot helps identify a particular stone. During this step, graders also look to see if there is any evidence that our diamond was treated to improve its clarity, and any treatment will be noted on our diamond's report. Let's see how our diamond looks under 10x magnification. Our diamond has 6 small inclusions that are not visible to the naked eye, but can be seen at higher magnification. Here, you can see the inclusions noted in red on our diamond's clarity plot. Our diamond received a clarity grade of VS2, or very slightly included 2.